Hey everyone, welcome to Guide on how to create a filter for incoming emails in Gmail. So, let's dive right in, switch to a desktop browser and go to gmail.com. Log into the same account you used on your Android device. Click on the setting icon in the top right corner, select See All Settings, go to the labels and select Create a Label. Next click on a new label. Once you create a new label, click on Create. Next, go to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab, and click on Create a new filter to specify your filter criteria, such as the sender's email address, keywords, or subject line. Choose the action you want Gmail to take, like applying the label you just created. Finally, click Create Filter to save it. Now, Gmail will automatically filter your incoming emails according to the rules you set. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.